Hello, Vipers. For this What's the Flow, we're going to talk about what to do when somebody has shared a social sequence for you, such as for a Facebook party, and what to do with that. What you're first going to want to do is in your sidebar, you head to Sequences. If your sidebar doesn't look like this, then that means you probably are an all-in-one user, and you can just simply, in this tab up here, go to Social Suite. And then it'll look just like this. You head to Sequences. And now the first place I want you to look is under My Sequences versus Shared with Me. So right now we are looking at all of the sequences that are my own. Shared with Me are the ones that have been shared. Now, before I go too much into this, why would you want to move a sequence from Shared with Me into My Sequences? Well, the only reason really is if you wanted to edit it. If it is good to go as it currently is, then you can just simply go right here to launch, and you can start posting this to social. Another reason might be that you just want to inspect it and take a look at it. So, of course, actually, you don't really have to move it into My Sequences to do that. So either way, though, if you want to take a closer look, you click on the name of it, and you can then see the various steps right here. Now, this is also where you can go to, as you can see right here, copy the sequence into My Sequences. And this gives you like a little explanation here too. So what you'll do then, if you, let's say you want to edit this, you want it to go into My Sequences and you want to edit it, is copy sequence in My Sequences. I click on that, and now it's actually been done. I'm just simply still looking at my new sequence. Got the new title here, Copy July Party. It'll say copy for. It'll put your name right here. And then now this is all going to be editable, and you can tweak it to your own specifications then. When you are done, hit Save Social Sequence. And now we can see we are looking at My Sequences, and we've got that copy that was just made that is right here, and the original, the one that was shared, is still in fact Shared with Me. So I hope this has been helpful.